Welcome back to Wealth Wisdom 01, your ultimate destination for financial education and wealth building strategies. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and learning how to mine them. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We've got you covered with this complete guide. So let's dive right in. Section 1. Understanding cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is a crucial aspect of the decentralized digital currency ecosystem. It serves multiple purposes, including 1. Transaction validation. Miners verify the legitimacy of transactions, ensuring that the same coins aren't spent twice, preventing double spending, and that the sender has enough balance to complete the transaction. 2. Block creation. Once transactions are validated, miners group them into blocks and add them to the blockchain. This process involves solving complex mathematical problems, which require significant computational power. 3. Network security. The mining process helps maintain the security and integrity of the blockchain network. The more miners there are, the more decentralized and secure the network becomes, making it harder for bad actors to manipulate the system. 4. New coin issuance. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly minted cryptocurrencies. This serves as an incentive for miners to continue validating transactions and securing the network. In summary, cryptocurrency mining is the backbone of the blockchain network, ensuring its smooth operation, security, and the continuous issuance of new coins. Section 2. Choosing the right cryptocurrency. Selecting the right cryptocurrency to mine is a critical decision that can significantly impact your mining profitability. Here's an expanded guide to help you make an informed choice. 1. Research the market. Start by researching various cryptocurrencies and their market performance. Look for coins with a strong market presence, good trading volume, and a solid community backing. This will help ensure that the currency you choose has long-term potential and stability. 2. Evaluate mining difficulty. Mining difficulty is a measure of how hard it is to mine a particular cryptocurrency. Higher difficulty means more competition and fewer chances of earning rewards. Consider choosing a coin with lower mining difficulty to increase your chances of success. 3. Assess potential rewards. Different cryptocurrencies offer varying rewards for mining. Investigate the block rewards, halving schedules, and other factors that can affect your earnings. Keep in mind that higher rewards don't always translate to higher profits, as other factors like mining difficulty and hardware costs come into play. 4. Hardware compatibility. Ensure that the cryptocurrency you choose is compatible with your mining hardware. Some coins are better suited for GPU mining, while others are designed for ASICs or CPUs. Selecting a coin that matches your hardware will help optimize your mining efficiency. 5. Energy consumption. Mining can be energy-intensive, leading to high electricity costs. Consider the energy efficiency of your mining hardware and the electricity rates in your area when choosing a cryptocurrency to mine. Some coins are more energy efficient than others, which can help reduce your overall costs. 6. Regulatory environment. Be aware of the regulatory environment in your country or region. Some governments have imposed restrictions or bans on cryptocurrency mining, which could affect your ability to mine certain coins legally. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about which cryptocurrency to mine, maximizing your chances of success and profitability. Section 3. Mining hardware and software. Selecting the right mining hardware and software is essential for efficient and profitable cryptocurrency mining. Here's an expanded guide to help you make the best choice. 1. CPU mining. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Mining is the most basic form of mining, utilizing your computer's processor to mine cryptocurrencies. While it's the easiest to set up, it's also the least efficient and least profitable option due to its lower computational power compared to GPUs and ASICs. 2. GPU mining. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. Mining involves using graphics cards, typically used for gaming, to mine cryptocurrencies. GPUs offer a significant increase in computational power compared to CPUs, making them a popular choice for mining. They're also more versatile as they can be used to mine multiple cryptocurrencies. However, they consume more electricity and generate more heat than CPUs. 3. ASIC mining. ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. Miners are specialized hardware devices designed specifically for mining a particular cryptocurrency. They offer the highest efficiency and computational power, making them the most profitable option for mining. However, they're also the most expensive and least versatile, as they can only mine one type of cryptocurrency. 4. Mining software. Once you've chosen your mining hardware, you'll need to select compatible mining software. This software communicates with the mining hardware and the blockchain network, allowing you to mine cryptocurrencies. Some popular mining software options include CG Miner, a widely used open-source mining software compatible with GPU, FPGA, and ASIC miners. It supports various cryptocurrencies and offers advanced features like fan speed control and remote interface capabilities. BFG Miner. Similar to CG Miner, BFG Miner is an open-source mining software that supports GPU, FPGA, and ASIC miners. It focuses on ASIC mining and offers features like integrated overclocking and temperature monitoring. Easy Miner, a user-friendly graphical mining software designed for beginners. It supports GPU and ASIC mining and is compatible with various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Litecoin. By carefully considering your hardware and software options, you can optimize your mining setup for maximum efficiency and profitability. Section 4. Setting up a mining rig. Building a mining rig is an essential step in starting your cryptocurrency mining journey. Here's an expanded guide to help you set up your mining rig. 1. Determine your budget. Before you start building your mining rig, decide on a budget that you're comfortable with. This will help you choose the right components and avoid overspending. 2. Select the right components. A mining rig typically consists of the following components. Motherboard. Choose a motherboard with enough PCI slots to accommodate the number of GPUs you plan to use. Look for a motherboard with good power management and support for the latest CPU and GPU technologies. CPU. While not as crucial as the GPU for mining, the CPU still plays a role in managing the mining rig. Select a CPU that is compatible with your chosen motherboard and offers good performance for its price. GPU. The most critical component for mining, the GPU determines your rig's mining power. Choose a GPU with a high hash rate and low power consumption. Keep in mind that popular mining GPUs may be in high demand and difficult to find at a reasonable price. RAM. A minimum of 4 GB of RAM is recommended for a mining rig. However, 8 GB or more is ideal for better performance and stability. Power supply. Select a power supply with enough wattage to support your mining rig's components. Look for a high-efficiency power supply to reduce electricity consumption and improve overall profitability. Storage. A small SSD, solid-state drive or HDD, hard disk drive, is sufficient for a mining rig as it only needs to store the operating system and mining software. 3. Assemble the mining rig. Carefully assemble your mining rig, ensuring that all components are securely connected and properly seated. Make sure to provide adequate cooling for your GPUs, as overheating can lead to reduced performance or damage. 4. Install the operating system and mining software. Once your mining rig is assembled, install your chosen operating system, such as Windows or Linux, and mining software. Configure the mining software to mine your desired cryptocurrency and connect to a mining pool if desired. 5. Monitor and maintain your mining rig. Regularly check your mining rig for signs of wear, overheating, or other issues. Clean your equipment to remove dust and ensure proper airflow. Replace any faulty components promptly to minimize downtime and maintain optimal performance. By following these steps, you can successfully set up your mining rig and start mining cryptocurrencies efficiently and profitably. Section 5. Joining a mining pool. Joining a mining pool can increase your chances of earning rewards by combining your mining power with other miners. Here's an expanded guide to help you join a mining pool. 1. Research mining pools. Before joining a mining pool, research various options to find one that suits your needs. Consider factors such as pool fees, payout methods, minimum payouts, and the pool's reputation. Popular mining pools include Slush Pool, F2 Pool, and Ant Pool, among others. 2. Create an account. Most mining pools require you to create an account to join. Sign up on the pool's website, providing the necessary information and agreeing to the terms of service. 3. Configure your mining software. After joining a mining pool, you'll need to configure your mining software to connect to the pool. This typically involves entering the pool's URL, your username, and password in your mining software settings. Consult the pool's documentation or support resources for specific instructions. 4. Choose a payout method. Mining pools offer various payout methods, such as pay per share, PPS, proportional, prop, and pay per last N shares, PPLS. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages, so choose one that aligns with your preferences and risk tolerance. 5. Monitor your mining progress. Once your mining software is connected to the pool, you can monitor your mining progress on the pool's website or dashboard. Keep track of your hash rate, shares submitted, and earnings to ensure your mining operation is running smoothly. 6. Optimize your mining setup. To maximize your earnings in a mining pool, optimize your mining rig for efficiency and performance. This may include adjusting hardware settings, updating software, and ensuring proper cooling. 7. Evaluate pool performance. Periodically evaluate the performance of your chosen mining pool. If you're not satisfied with the pool's fees, payout methods, or overall performance, consider switching to a different pool that better meets your needs. By following these steps, you can successfully join a mining pool and increase your chances of earning rewards in the competitive world of cryptocurrency mining. And that's it! You're now ready to start mining cryptocurrencies. Remember, mining can be a complex and resource-intensive process, so it's essential to stay informed and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101 for more financial education and wealth-building strategies. Until next time, happy mining!